Hi, I'm Keith Elphick from Airline Hydraulics. All-purpose is rarely a word you use in pneumatics. Usually, each component has a unique application for a very specific purpose, and you might use an all-purpose cleaner, but you never think of using an all-purpose valve, right? Well, think again. The leaders of pneumatic technology designed a solenoid valve that's made for all purposes, and that's SMC's series of SY valves. With this one series, you can do it all. From simple, discrete wired manifolds to complex Fieldbus manifolds with multiple communication options like Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, PROFINET, and many more. And now, with SMC's wireless technology being incorporated into their Fieldbus offering, the possibilities are truly endless. And just within days, Airline can use this valve to build custom manifold assemblies for any application. Perfect for today's fast-paced, just-in-time world of automation. Keep watching to learn more about the most versatile and flexible solenoid valve series on the market. These valves marry all-purpose functionality with one-of-a-kind quality only SMC offers. Even better, Airline can configure this series into a customized manifold and have it built, tested, and ready to ship in just a couple of days. Watch this video to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos from Airline. Thanks for watching.